How to download Zengi app on your Android device. Are you guys facing issues to download Zengi app on your Android devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now click on search bar and search for Zengi. Now click on the second option where you can see the icon for Zengi app. Click on it. Now tap on install. After you click on install, your app will start to download. It might vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, Zengi app has been installed on our device. Just simply tap on open. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download Zengi app on our Android devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zengi app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.